Do you want to know how you can check the liked arts in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check the liked arts in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by Wombo. Now tap on your profile and tap on liked. You can see that these are your liked artworks. You can tap on it and you can unlike the photos and it will be removed from here. So let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can check the like arts in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream by wombo.art and tap on your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on liked and these are your liked artworks. I hope this video about how you can check your liked arts in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.